Let's do something with these porter peaches that my friends brought me. Okay, we are gonna make some peach fire pork chops. And we're gonna use our rock crock, our Pampered Chef rock crock right here. This is my favorite little crock pot. And if you don't know of a Pampered Chef dealer, I do know of two people. So Marie Adams is one of them. She's from my hometown. And Heather Miller. And I'm not sure, I cannot even remember where Heather's from. Is she from Oklahoma? I don't remember. But anyway, those are two people that I know of that do Pampered Chef. They are on my friends list, I think. You just find their name, Marie, M-A-R-E-E, Adams, and Heather Miller. And you can find them, click on it, message them and say, hey, I want to order a rock crock, which I called the Crock Rocket, which I think they should rename. But anyway, all right, this is easy supper. What we're gonna do is we're gonna start off with our rock crock here, and you're just gonna get some pork chops. And I just found these pork chops down at my friendly grocery store, my favorite one, Price Chopper, right here in Branson, Missouri. And here's a little secret. So if you get your pork chops and they have a little dark on them, they're gonna be more tender. So I'm gonna go rinse these off and then I'm gonna put them in here. So my sister and Ashley Beth are here, and we're gonna put these on and we'll have these for supper tonight. So you're just gonna put them right here in the bottom of your crock pot, just like this. And now we're gonna put the rest in. I was trying to think of something to do with these porter peaches that the Livelies brought me. They are so sweet. They're from Oklahoma. Gary used to come into our local flavor there in Haskell. He worked for the highway department, so he would come in for lunch sometimes. And he was a really good customer back in Oklahoma. And they have been up here several times to support us here in Branson. But anyway, one day he was eating lunch at Local Flavor and he said, hey, you got anything sweet that's chocolate? And I didn't have any chocolate desserts that day. I said, no, but I think I have a Hershey candy bar in my purse. And I went and got it for him, and we'll never forget that. And he said, I'll take it. So I gave it to him, and he had a Hershey candy bar as his dessert. All right, so I soaked these peaches, and listen, let me tell you, I have already ate so many of these peaches, just peeled them up, just chopped them up and ate them, because these are so delicious, porter peaches from Porter, Oklahoma. These smell so good, they're so juicy, so flavorful. If you can get your hands on some, best peaches ever. All right, so these are from Livesey Orchard in Porter, Oklahoma. And I have just been eating the heck out of them. So I thought I better come up with something to make with these things. So I'm gonna make this dish here, which is peach fire pork chops. And then I'm gonna make a dessert, maybe tomorrow. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna cut my peaches up. I'm just gonna chop them. And I do it just like this. I cut it around like that and twist it like that. And then I go to the little seam right there, the little crack, and then you go like that and you twist it again. And then it just pops that seed right out. Now I've soaked these in water and got them really good and clean because you know me, I love the skin. I love the skin on stuff. So what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and I'm just gonna chop these up right into my crock pot, just like that. All right, so far I've got 3 peaches and it looks like it's pretty full. So I'm just gonna stop at 3. I didn't realize how much this was gonna make. So we're gonna do 3 big, good, juicy peaches and we're gonna call it good. Well, half a peach, it doesn't need to go in there. Holy moly. Come on over. This is Rushane. He's from Jamaica, man. and he is changing the Dr. Pepper out. Didn't want to interrupt me, but I said, come on over and interrupt. He's a good worker. Thank you, Rushane. Oh. God dang, that's good. Coarse black pepper, kosher salt. Love this salsa right here, Herdez salsa. If I'm not pronouncing that right, I'm 100% sure that someone is going to let me know about it, because most people are quick to tell you when you do something wrong on here. But it don't matter. Herdez, Erdez, I don't care. That's the brand right there. I like it. Even if I can't say it, I like it. This is what I like. So this is the mild. I'm a big fat weenie when it comes to spices. And I'm going to put this in there. I'm going to go ahead and put the whole jar in. This is a 16-ounce jar. All right, and I'm just going to do just a tiny bit of water in here. I mean just a tiny bit of water, just to get the rest of that out of there. Shake it around and put it in. All righty. Now I'm going to add a little bit of smoked paprika. Just going to cover that up. Probably about a good tablespoon in there. And now I'm going to squeeze some honey in. Just kind of cover it up, just like that. Just drizzle it all over. Just whatever's to your liking. Alrighty? You just take it and you push it to wherever you want on low, and then you twist it. 4 hours. Push the button, set it, and forget it. Now, going to work. Gonna let this cook. This is gonna be our supper tonight. When we get back down here tonight, we're gonna put some rice on, just some white rice, minute rice, and we're gonna put this on top, and it is gonna be so good. I just know it. I've never made this before, but I just know this is gonna be good. All right, so we'll let you know in just a little bit. I'm going to work now, and I'll see you later. Okay, so after this cooked for about 4 hours, I came down and turned it on low. On warm, so that it would just stay warm. And so this is what it's gonna look like. Steaming hot, still warm. So I'm gonna fish out the pork chops and set them aside, and then I'm gonna muddle this up, all right? Just fish out my pork chops the best I can. Oh my gosh, so tender. They're falling apart. There's a little piece. Ooh, that sounded like nails on a chalkboard. Oh my goodness, these are so nice and tender. All right, there's our 4 pork chops. And now I'm gonna take my mix and chop here, and I'm just gonna muddle this all up really good. Now, if you don't have fresh peaches or don't wanna use whole peaches, then I would just get some peach jelly or some peach jam and just do that instead, like a whole jar of that. All right, now I'm gonna get my rice going. I'm just using plain old minute rice, and we're just gonna put that in just like the directions say. Just water and rice. And then when it's done, I'm gonna add a little bit of butter, and I might add just a little bit of my Mexican cream, because I just think that stuff kind of zhuzhes everything up. I just cooked it just like the directions. I'm gonna put a little butter in it, a good glob of butter. Then I'm gonna do a little bit of salt and pepper, of course. Give it some flavor. I'm gonna add a little bit of this, not much. There's just a little bit left in there. Maybe even just a 1/4 cup in there. So let's do that and give this a good mix. You just cook your rice just like it says on the box. Looks good. All right, I'm just gonna wait on Ashley, Beth, and LaDonna to get down here, and then we're gonna have some supper. This is Mexican cream that I put in there. So you can find this over by the cheese at the grocery store. Girls are back downstairs with me. We've been working all day long, and so this just goes to show that you can just put this on, come home, make some rice, and then put it together. So are y'all ready to try this concoction? Peach fire pork chops. All right. Okay. We're gonna use paper plates. Here, come on in. Oh, come on in.
Coming hot in on the scene.
Coming hot in.
Coming hot in.
Hot in. Hot in. Coming in hot. Good. Okay. So what you're going to do is get a little rice. We're going to serve this kind of like we serve our meatballs, or my meatballs, all right? And then, how much do you want?
Oh, just a tad.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Okay, because you're not sure you're going to like it?
Well, because I just had a little bit of chicken.
Oh, okay. All right. And then we're going to put a pork chop on. Do you mind if I just use my hands?
Ma'am.
And my hands are clean.
I'm so done. Somebody's going to say something about that.
You're not eating it. I am. Totally gonna say something. Yeah. Okay, I'm just using my hands. Okay, there we go. All right, let me get a. Here's a
lick them.
Yeah. We tired.
More juice.
Oh, here. Wait, wait. I got a whole bunch of.
Oh, okay.
Okay, here we go. Oh, now, don't try it yet. We're trying it together. This is. Look at that.
Look at this.
Look at that. Doesn't that look so good? All right, sister. Here's some for you. Is that good?
Yeah, that's good.
Oh my gosh. Y'all, check that out. Doesn't that look good?
Here we go.
All right. Everybody needs a little carbs in their life. Little Hawaiian roll. Throw it beside there.
Cheers.
Yep. Cheers.
That's good.
That's pretty dang tasty.
Mm-hmm.
Close up. Holy moly, that is delicious. That pork chop is so tender and so juicy. And
Cut it with a fork.
this is like not too spicy.
No.
It's not spicy at all.
Mm-mm.
Well, it is a little bit.
No,
No, it's not at all.
it's not one bit.
It's really not at all.
And you're the one who's been getting adventurous with you.
I am, but it is a little spicy for me. I have a little spice in mine.
Probably put
Oh.
too much pepper on it.
You know what would be good on this, like to make it pretty, would be a little bit of parsley,
Yes.
just to make it pretty. But
Yeah. A little
listen, you guys got to make this. It really
Yes.
is good. So there you have it. Peach.
It's
fire.
not spicy.
Yeah.
I'm
Or-
a wimp.
I am aware. If you want to make it a little spicy, then put a hot salsa in it. But so easy. This is very easy and very delicious. So
Yum.
there you have it. Peach fire pork chops. Mmm. Go make these.
Mm-hmm.
I'm impressed.
And I could just eat this rice and sauce like this salsa. For all you vegetarians.
Mm-mm.
We have a friend that's a vegetarian. That's why I say that, because you know they come over. You met him. He would eat this, just not the meat.
I was just thinking about vegetarians the other day.
What
were you thinking
about them?
What are your thoughts?
Used to be a vegetarian.
Really?
Yeah, and she always said that her farts didn't stink because she was vegetarian.
Good to know.